Ever wondered how modern agriculture has become so efficient? The answer lies in the machines. Agriculture, the age-old practice, has seen a significant transformation over the centuries. Once dominated by manual labor, the industry has evolved into a high-tech field with machines taking center stage. From the humble beginnings of the handheld hoe, we've ventured into an era where incredible machines rule the roost. These machines, with their intricate designs and advanced technology, have revolutionized farming, making it more efficient and less labor-intensive. They've replaced the sweat and toil of farmers with precision and speed, ensuring higher productivity and improved crop yields. From tractors guided by GPS to autonomous robotic weeders, these machines are the unsung heroes of our modern agricultural landscape. So, if you've ever marveled at the abundance in your local supermarket's produce section, you have these amazing machines to thank for. Join us as we delve into the world of agricultural machines and their roles in modern farming. First up, we have the GPS-guided tractor, a game-changer in the field of agriculture. Imagine a tractor that can go about its business without a driver. That's right, a tractor that can plow, seed, fertilize, and even harvest crops, all while being guided by the precise signals of a global positioning system. This is not a futuristic dream, it's a reality in modern farming. The GPS-guided tractor works off of a concept known as precision agriculture. This approach uses GPS data to manage and control farm operations with a level of accuracy that was once unimaginable. This technology allows farmers to precisely apply seeds, fertilizers, and other inputs to their fields, reducing waste and increasing efficiency. Let's delve a little deeper. The tractor is equipped with a GPS receiver which gets signals from satellites orbiting the Earth. These signals are then processed by a computer system on the tractor, which uses the data to guide the tractor's movements. This system can steer the tractor down to the inch, ensuring every seed is planted in the right place, every drop of fertilizer is applied where it's needed, and every crop is harvested at the right time. The benefits of the GPS-guided tractor are immense. For starters, it eliminates the need for manual steering, freeing up the farmer to focus on other important tasks. It also reduces overlap and skips during planting and fertilizing, which can save a significant amount of resources. And perhaps most impressively, it allows the tractor to work around the clock, even in conditions of low visibility, like fog or darkness. This technology is not just about efficiency and cost saving, it's about sustainability too. By reducing waste and over-application of inputs, the GPS-guided tractor plays a crucial role in promoting environmentally friendly farming practices. With the GPS-guided tractor, farmers can now work day and night, increasing productivity like never before. The future of farming is here, and it looks very promising indeed. Next on the list is the combine harvester, a marvel of engineering that has revolutionized harvesting. This behemoth of a machine is not just a symbol of modern agriculture, but also a testament to human ingenuity. The combine harvester, as the name suggests, combines three separate farming operations into one seamless process. Traditionally, harvesting, threshing, and winnowing were three distinct steps carried out separately. However, the combine harvester ingeniously integrates these operations, hence its name, a combination harvester. Let's break this down. Harvesting, the first step, involves cutting the crop. In the past, this was done manually using hand tools like sickles and scythes. But with the combine harvester, a rotating blade swiftly cuts the crop at its base. Following this, the cut crop is gathered and fed into the machine. Threshing, the second step, is where the grain is separated from the stalk. The combine harvester accomplishes this with a rotating drum that beats the cut crop, dislodging the grains. These grains are then collected while the remaining stalks, or chaff, are discarded. The third and final step is winnowing. This is where the grain is separated from the lighter chaff. A powerful fan within the combine harvester blows air through the mixture of grain and chaff. The lighter chaff is blown away while the heavier grains fall to a collection point. By combining these three processes, the combine harvester vastly improves harvesting efficiency. A task that would have taken days or even weeks can now be completed in a matter of hours. Furthermore, the combine harvester is not just limited to one type of crop. With different settings and attachments, it can be used to harvest a variety of crops including wheat, corn, and soybeans. In the grand scheme of things, the combine harvester has not only increased the speed of harvesting, but also reduced labor costs and minimized waste. It is an indispensable tool in modern agriculture, enabling farmers to meet the ever-increasing global demand for food. The combine harvester, a true workhorse, has transformed harvesting into a faster and more efficient process. From the ground to the sky, drones are the new frontier in agricultural machinery. These flying marvels are revolutionizing the agricultural sector, lending a futuristic edge to farming. Let's start with crop scouting. Traditionally, farmers would have to visually inspect their fields on foot or by vehicle, a time-consuming and labor-intensive process. But with drones, they can now get a bird's-eye view of their fields in a fraction of the time. Equipped with high-resolution cameras and advanced sensors, drones can capture detailed imagery and data, helping farmers identify areas of stress, pest invasions, or nutrient deficiencies. But drones aren't just flying cameras. They're also becoming an integral part of irrigation management. Water is a precious resource, and its efficient use is critical in agriculture. Drones equipped with thermal sensors can map water distribution across a field, revealing areas of overwatering or underwatering. This information allows farmers to adjust irrigation systems for optimal water use, saving resources and improving crop yield. And there's more. Drones are even getting their hands dirty with planting. Innovative drone technology is allowing for the aerial sowing of seeds. These drones fly over a field, dropping seeds with precision into the ground. This technique can cover large areas quickly, reducing the time and labor required for planting. So, how have drones changed the game? They've improved accuracy and efficiency, and saved time. With the ability to cover large areas quickly, and the precision to pinpoint problem areas or deliver resources exactly where needed, drones are making farming less labor-intensive and more productive. But perhaps the most significant impact of drones is on decision-making. The detailed data they provide empowers farmers with real-time information, allowing them to make informed decisions and respond quickly to changes in their fields. Drones are not just for entertainment anymore, they're proving their worth in modern farming. With their ability to fly high and see far, they're providing a fresh perspective on agriculture and a glimpse into the future of farming. Last but not least, we have the autonomous robotic weeders, the future of weed control in agriculture. These are not just ordinary pieces of machinery. They are smart, they are efficient, and they are revolutionizing the way we maintain our crops. Imagine a world where weeds are identified and eliminated without a single touch from a human hand. Sounds like science fiction, doesn't it? Well, with autonomous robotic weeders, this is now a reality. Powered by advanced technologies like machine learning and computer vision, these machines can distinguish between crops and weeds with remarkable precision. So how does this work? Each robot is equipped with cameras and sensors that continuously scan the ground. As they move through the field, they capture images and process them using their onboard computer systems. These computers are trained to recognize the visual differences between crops and weeds. Once a weed is identified, the robot uses a specialized tool to remove it, either by cutting it off at the root or by delivering a targeted spray of herbicide. But the benefits of these robotic weeders go beyond just weed removal. They play a crucial role in reducing the use of chemicals in our agriculture. By precisely targeting weeds, these robots minimize the amount of herbicide needed, leading to fewer chemicals in our soil and waterways. This not only helps protect our environment, but also improves the health of our crops. Moreover, these robots can work around the clock, in all weather conditions. They don't get tired, they don't need breaks, and they don't make mistakes. This makes them a reliable and efficient solution for weed control, capable of maintaining vast fields with minimal human intervention. With these incredible machines, we're not just changing the way we farm, we're changing the way we think about farming. We're embracing technology, we're reducing our impact on the environment, and we're improving the health and quality of our crops. With autonomous robotic weeders, we're stepping into a future where weeds no longer stand a chance. These amazing machines have truly transformed the face of agriculture. From the precision and convenience brought about by GPS-guided tractors, the game has been changed. These tractors have overhauled the way we plow, sow, and manage our fields, freeing farmers to focus on more strategic tasks. Then we have the combine harvesters, the multitasking maestros of the farming world. Their ability to swiftly and effectively harvest, thresh, and clean grain crops on the go is nothing short of a marvel. The drones, our eyes in the sky, provide us with invaluable data, helping us monitor crop health, manage irrigation, and even pollinate crops. They've taken precision agriculture to a whole new level. And let's not forget the autonomous, robotic weeders, the silent warriors of sustainable farming. They're out there day and night, ensuring our fields are free from harmful weeds, reducing our reliance on chemical herbicides. It's clear that the future of agriculture is here, and it's powered by machines.